Is DJ with Touchpix support. Today, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to utilize AI Pro. We've been getting a lot of questions due to the fact that we posted some holiday prompts on our Facebook group. First and foremost, when you have your Touchpix account, you're going to go into your account, where log in, and then go into events. Once you're in events, what you're going to do is create a new custom event. In this case, I kind of been playing with one today, so I'm just going to edit the event. You're going to name it just like you do your other events. Hit AI or name it whatever it is that you want. You're going to toggle down to photos, functions, and just hit enable AI. You can also, one of the important things that you need to do is upload a AI overlay, go into designer. It's not a photo GIF or it's not a video. It has to be an AI overlay. I'm utilizing 4x6, so if you're gonna do portrait or landscape, just select an photo AI template. I'm not gonna do any of the artwork. I'm just gonna add it. So I'm gonna hit it, add event. After this is done, you're gonna go back into return to Touchpix. I recommend doing this from a computer. It makes it a lot easier to manage. So I'm gonna go back into my event by going to the settings sprocket, go into the edit tab, and scrolling down to photo AI. This is AI Pro, so it is going to cost some credits. So just ensure that if you're going to be using these types of AI Pro features, we do have AI Pro credits. We still offer basic AI, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to stick with AI Pro since we've been getting a lot of questions. So under Photo Booth AI Experience, you're going to go ahead and click on Add Filters. You can utilize any of the preset filters that TouchPix has. Some some of these fit your need for your activation. You can go into changing backgrounds. You can change uh, clothes if you want. If you want a specific, if you're doing an activation for a brand that utilizes specific clothing, you can go ahead and upload that clothing article so all of your pictures can include that. In this case, we're going to go to custom filter. We're going to go into the prompt library. A lot of people were asking about the Christmas packs that were loaded. So this is where you'll find them. You'll see there's a lot for Hanukkah. You can read the prompt. This is kind of a prompt indicating it's a festive Christmas prompt. Includes a Christmas sweater. It gives it specific colors. You can always alter these. If you do that, I recommend going through ChatGPT, or if you feel competent enough to alter some of these uh, prompts or specific settings, go ahead and do that on your own. Hit confirm. If you want to test it on a regular photo, you can do that. So my test image is on my desktop, and it's a picture of my attendant and my wife. Just a simple PNG picture. I'm going to go ahead and test this prompt on that specific picture. Just understand that it'll cost you 0.25 credits for you to be able to test, generate that specific prompt. So as you can see, it's a lot easier to manage this from a computer, but it will load my prompt shortly. And there it is. I'm going to go ahead and add it to my selection. So I'm going to hit add custom filter. I'm going to name it. So AI gingerbread is what I'm going to call it. And add the custom filter. What you can do is generate your own prompt. Let's see if that works. Yes. I This is my prompt that I'm going to use. Transform the subject into a stunning fashion style photo with an aspect of one-to-one of a sophisticated subject standing on a snowy cobblestone street in Mexico City at Zocalo. They're wearing luxurious emerald greens. You can get into various details. Um, Blurred Mexico style shops in the background. Something that I'm just a, you can customize it to your liking. And let's see, I'm going to utilize the same past picture. Go ahead and generate that prompt and see what that gives me, right? Again, you can tweak some of these prompts. The more descriptive you are, I feel the better the outcomes. There you go. So this is what my prompt requested. You see it has multiple faces there, and I'm happy with this. So I'm going to go ahead and add custom filter, and I'm going to call this city prompt. And I can also add this to my event. Next, what we're going to try is this clothing option. We're going to do a quick jersey experience here. Please utilize whatever you feel it's an appropriate brand for you. I'm going to use a soccer jersey, and what I'm going to do is test the filter. I uploaded a PNG file of a soccer jersey, and I'm going to utilize my test image once again, and let's generate an example of what that might look like, and we're going to see how this can also be an added option for your AI Pro experience. So I do recommend you use a computer and you organize your files accordingly so you can have easy access. Perfect. These are perfect soccer jerseys, as you can see. That's what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and close that. I'm going to save that, and this will be soccer. So that I've added that. And just so you can see what that, I know you just saw that automated generation of the file. Here we go. And that's pretty much it. The next step was going to be to actually try it live. So I'm going to go over and scan into this QR code. All right, here we go. I loaded up the video doing the AI Pro. This is what it looks like. There's my camera, my flash is up top, and we're going to do a session here. You can see exactly the prompts that I loaded, right? And I'm going to use my daughters here as an example. This is just a live test here. Let's go with the AI gingerbread. There they are. And I'm going to go ahead and hit the start button down here. I'm using an Android tablet, by the way. You don't have to use an Android. You can use iOS. Perfect. Perfect. Perfect prompt here. Second prompt here. Go ahead. And she's going to pick, nope, pick the city prompt over there. That's the one that we haven't tried. Perfect. Here we go. And hit start. And let me get out of the frame. Perfect AI pictures here. And I like the scenery. And now we're going to try the last one. We're going to do the clothing one with the jersey. I'm going to get out of the frame. And there's your output. Thanks for watching this video. This is DJ with Touchpix Support. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.